Hello, I'm in a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, and today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side you should see this reservoir. This is your brake fluid. This neck runs to the bigger reservoir. But double check your owner's manual that the liquid you've got is the best match for your make and model. But you'll just unscrew this, and then on the side here you'll see a max line and a minimum line below. You don't want it completely full. There's supposed to be a little air gap. But when you unscrew this with the funnel or straight from your liquid jug, just fill as needed so you're around that max line, and then screw this back on nice and tight. And I'd also double check around all your lines and your reservoir for any possible leaks, since really this system hardly ever, if ever at all, you should have to add fluid. So if you do need to add, you might have a leak somewhere that needs addressed. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.